We're going to take a closer look at one of the finer details on the Hattons Original Class 66, exploring the rotating axle box feature. The Class 66 has many differences from other UK designed locomotives, and one of the most distinctive is their rotating axle boxes. For the first time on a UK 00 scale diesel locomotive, these have been fully replicated on the Hattons Originals model. They are attached to both ends of each axle and are independent from the bogie frame, allowing them to freely rotate and the loco to negotiate track work down to second radius. The axle boxes come pre-fitted on your Hattons Class 66 00 model. As with any model with this level of detail, there is a small chance that the axle boxes may come loose over time, but they are very easy to reattach should this occur. Simply apply a small amount of glue to the end of the axle box which has a hole, pass it through the opening on the bogie and press it firmly onto the end of the axle. Allow a couple of seconds for the glue to set and your locomotive should be ready to run. We have used a cyanoacrylate superglue and our recommendation for this is in the description below. That's all there is to it. Your loco is now ready to return to service on your layout. We hope you enjoyed this innovative feature on your Hattons Originals Class 66.